Clickbank beginner tutorial. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open any browser and type Clickbank on your browser and then click on the official website here. So by using Clickbank, you can start, scale, or expand your business reach. So you can become an affiliate and you can promote thousands of quality products. So you can also sell your product and have access to 1,000 affiliates. So Clickbank platform is in over 190 countries and it has been running for about 25 years. And it empowers entrepreneurs and brands across the globe to grow, scale, and reach customers. So you can look at the comments of what people are saying about Clickbank. And if you want to create an account on Clickbank, go ahead and click on Start here. So if you're not sure how you want to use Clickbank, you can click on this and fill out the survey. But you can also skip this quick start guide by clicking right here. So make sure you're on the sign up page and not on login. So go ahead and select your country, enter your first name, your last name, enter your phone number, your email address, and your password, and then click on continue to terms and conditions. And then you can go back and this will have been ticked on, and then go ahead and click on join Clickbank, and then you will have successfully created your account on Clickbank. So thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.